Welcome to the NI Chamber website. Here you'll find a range of simple tools to help you make the most of your membership. It all starts by clicking Sign In at the top of any NI Chamber webpage. If this is the first time you have logged in, you will need to reset your password by clicking Forgot Password and following the simple steps. If you are an employee and your company is a member, click Register Your Membership. Follow the instructions and you will receive your own personal sign-in details. Now that your account has been registered, you'll only need to enter your email address and password when logging in the future. Welcome to the membership dashboard. You can browse the menu bar or click one of the quick links. Let's do that now. When you are logged in, it is easy to register for an event or a training course. Since all employees have individual accounts, each person in your organisation can register themselves. Free events do not require any payment information. If an event or training requires payment, simply enter your card details when prompted. If you are an account administrator, you'll have access to edit your company details as well as uploading news stories, events and offers. Let's look first at updating your organisation profile. It is easy to update your details. Simply type in each text field you'd like to amend, then click the button at the bottom of the page to save. Adding news to the NI Chamber website is a great way to keep members and the public up to date with your business. Announce new appointments, post your own press release, blog or share a recruitment opportunity. This doesn't have to be a long piece of news. A few paragraphs and a photo is enough. We recommend using a landscape image. You can even schedule your post to appear on a specific date. Lots of these news stories are selected for our Ambition Weekly email newsletter. Next, you can add an event to promote to other members. Simply enter all your event details. Remember to confirm if it is free or if it requires a paid ticket. Include a description, a photo and a link to register or for more information. NI Chamber members are encouraged to support each other through exclusive member offers. This is a great way to encourage others to engage with your business. Now you've had a tour of our quick links, you'll be able to make the most of your NI Chamber membership. We look forward to seeing you there.